Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I make a payment to Cigna. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To make a payment to Cigna, you have several options depending on your plan type. You can pay online by simply heading over and opening up your browser. Then on the search bar type in mycigna.com. Then once the homepage loads, all you gotta do is simply enter in your username and your password and then tap on login. And once logged in, use the pay your Medicare premium or make a payment option. You will need a Cigna ID, customer number, zip code, DOB, and payment info like credit card or debit card or bank account. And then the secure portal is available 24/7. Then you can set up auto pay via or by mailing in a form. Provide your Cigna ID, zip code, DOB, and account details. You can also pay by phone by simply calling the Cigna customer service, often at 1-800-222-6700 or 1-877-244-6215 or the number on your ID card. Use the automated system or speak to a rep to make a one-time or recurring payment with a card or bank details. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.